Hello everyone, I have created a ChatGPT script to learn English to correct my pronunciation skills. So let's start the ChatGPT script I have created. So this is my ChatGPT script in my phone. So let's start. The hook and the reality check. Hi everyone, let's start with the truth that nobody really wants you about when you are growing up. The world has a default setting language and it's English. Think about it right now as we speak. Billions of people across the globe are waking up, opening their laptops, stepping into bedrooms, or simply ordering a coffee in foreign city, and they are all using the exact same linguistic bridge to connect. It is not just a school subject you memorize to pass an exam, and it certainly is not just an elite status symbol. It is the operating system of modern human civilization. If you don't know how to run this operating system, you are essentially trying to navigate a hyper connected digital world with analog tools. Whether you are aiming to climb the corporate ladder, launch a startup, travel the world, or simply understand the deepest layers of internet culture, English is the ultimate unlock code. Today, I want to break down exactly why mastering this language changes absolutely everything, both in your professional career and in your everyday real life experiences. Let's talk business first. Business, because let's face it, your career is your livelihood in the job market. English is not just a nice to have skills anymore. It is the currency of global commerce. Look at how the corporate world operates today. Remote work has completely erased geographical borders. A developer in India can work for a tech firm in San Francisco, or a designer in Brazil can collaborate with a marketing agency in London. But what connects them? It's English. When a company looks at two candidates with identical technical skills, the one who can articulate ideas clearly, negotiate confidently, and write professionally emails in English will get hired every single time. It is a direct multiplier of your income potential. Studies consistently show that individuals with professional level English skills earn significantly higher salaries, sometimes double or triple, compared to their peers in the same industry who only speak their local language. Why? Because you are not just limited to your local economy anymore. You gain access to global remote jobs, international freelancing platforms, and multinational corporation. You transform you from a local job seeker into a global talent. Furthermore, within a company, English is the language of leadership. You might be the most brilliant coder, the most meticulous accountant, or the most creative designer, but if you cannot confidently present your ideas in a regional or a global meeting, you will remain invisible. Leadership requires communication. It requires the ability to pitch a project to stakeholders, resolve conflicts across international teams, and represent your brand on a larger stage. Without English, you hit an invisible ceiling. You watch people with half your technical talent get promoted past you simply because they can articulate their thoughts elegantly in the bedroom. It sounds harsh, but it's the reality of the corporate ladder. Mastering English means you no longer need an interpreter for your intelligence. Your ideas can finally speak for themselves. Part 2, the gateway to the world's knowledge. Now, let's step off the office and look at real life, because the impact of English goes way beyond a monthly paycheck. Let's talk about knowledge. The internet is the largest repository of human information in history, but over 50 percent of all digital content is written in English. The most groundbreaking scientific research, the most comprehensive coding tutorials, the best business books, and the most insightful masterclass are almost always published in English first. If you have to wait for information to be translated into your native language, you are already years behind the curve. You're drinking filtered water from a river instead of going directly to the fresh mountain spring. When you learn English, you gain the superpower to learn anything else. You can listen to podcasts by global experts, read the original text of history, greatest thinkers, and access educational resources that can transform your mindset, health, and finances. It turns you into a self-sufficient lifelong learner. Beyond knowledge, English fundamentally alters how you experience the physical world. Let's talk about travel. Walking into an airport in Tokyo, a train station in Berlin, or a hotel in Cairo can be incredibly intimidating if you don't speak the local tongue. But what is the universal safety net? English, Cengage emergency instruction, and hospitality workers across the globe rely on it. Knowing English turns travel from a stressful, confusing ordeal into a smooth, enriching adventure. It gives you the confidence to explore the world without fear, but more importantly than just reading science, it allows you to connect with people. Some of the most profound friendship, romances, or mentorship of your life might be awaiting in the minds of people who don't speak your native language. English allows you to sit at a hostel in Europe or a cafe in Asia or Asia and share life stories with someone from a completely different culture. Builds empathy, expand your world view, and reminds you that despite our differences, we all share the same human core. Finally, there is an internal shift that happens when you master English, a profound boost in personal confidence. Language shapes how we think. Learning a second language, specifically one as widely used as English, rewires your brain. It forces you to look at concepts from new angles, improve your cognitive flexibility, and gives you a sense of agency over your life. When you know you can walk into any room, whether it's a high stakes job interview, a casual social gathering abroad, or an online forum, and completely hold your own, your posture changes. You stop shrinking yourself to fit into local boxes. You start realizing that the entire world is your playground, and that you have a rightful seat at the global table. So, if you are sitting there thinking that learning English is too hard, or that you are too old to start, or that your accent is not perfect, perfection is not the goal, communication is. The goal is simply to understand and be understood. Every single or you invest in practicing reading or speaking English is a direct deposit into your future self freedom fund. It is the best investment you will ever make, with a guaranteed return, or investment that lasts a lifetime. If you are ready to start the journey and unlock your global potential, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below sharing with your biggest struggle with English is right now. Let's figure it out together. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. I am Shivam Agrawal. I am learning English, and today I have created this script to correct my pronunciation skills, and also I want to grow my English, learning English. I am so this was the video. Thank you so much.